Here's the question I got asked. How do I know if the person I sent a LinkedIn invite to has declined or ignored my invite? Let me share with you some ideas you can use to figure that out, even though there may not be a clear-cut answer to this question. Now, typically, if you go look at your network and you go to see all, and you click on sent, you'll see all the invites that you have sent out that are still pending. And if you go look at that person's LinkedIn profile, I'm going to right click on this and open a new tab. Typically, it'll say pending. However, if you know you've sent a LinkedIn invite to someone and it does not say pending and it does not show up in your sent invites awaiting for acceptance, then it is likely that they have hit the ignore button, which you can see back here on received. I have the ignore button right there. But this is only what we expect. Sometimes there are other factors that come into play, such as the invite sat out there way too long, and LinkedIn may very well have withdrawn that invite because it was not accepted. I've seen invites sit in my sent invites for as long as 6 months. That's as long as I've seen them sit that long. I typically don't let them wait that long before I withdraw them my own self. However, again, the simple answer is this. If you've sent an invite to someone and you don't see it in your sent invites, and you go look at their profile and it does not say pending, it is very likely that they have hit the ignore button. Now, the big question is, what do we do next? What I would not do is I would not send a new invite until you're able to have a conversation with that person. That just, all you're going to do is you send out another one and they're going to ignore that as well because they don't know you, assumably because they don't know you or they don't know who you are, what you're all about. So instead of sending a second or third invite and hoping and praying that they accept it, what I would recommend you do is find a way to get introduced to them, find a way to bump into them, find a way for them to know who you are and what you're all about so that when you do follow up the next step with sending a new LinkedIn invite, they're more likely to accept it. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.